Okay, so just did a big workout with the Hairsystem, and glad to report no problems. I do this all the time. I work out and I get sweaty and the whole 9 yards. And you can get up here. There we go. Still looking good. Holding on to my head, so it's all good. Okay, so workout is done. I killed it today and sweating like crazy. And report on the Hairsystem. Well, still on my head. And I was sweaty as all get out, so all systems go. So if you have questions about going to the gym, working out, weight training, cardio, whatever it is, I do it all the time. Works out great. Front hairline still looks super good after sweating the whole bit. I'm gonna hit the shower and probably wash it again for the second time today. I really don't like to do that, but I don't have a choice. So if you've got any questions about that, hey, don't worry about it. Chill, take it easy. You can go to the gym and sweat your guts out and work out like crazy, and it will be great for you. Don't worry about it. Peace out, guys.